So here's a soap that was inspired by some dinosaur figurines I had laying around. I used to make bath bombs with surprise toys inside of them. I thought they would look cool on a soap that resembled a landscape. So to start, I wanted the bottom layer to look like dirt, so I colored it with some brown and I added in some of these soapy shreds. It's scented with a Nature's Garden and candle fragrance called Lava. It has notes of orange, grapefruit, leaf green, strawberry, jasmine, raspberry, and vanilla, and it's very fruity. So once I've plopped that in and let it set up, I wanted to make a layer of grass. But before I go and pour that on, I am going to carve like a little canal into each one of these. I want this to look like a river, and trust me, the end process, it'll all make sense. So I've carved in a little canal into each one of these bars. And then I'm plopping on some green, and that's going to resemble the grass. You also have to take notice of the colors now because they are morphed, and once they sit, it's really weird cold process soap, they do tone down a little bit and change. Once I've shaped the grass, I'm going to go ahead and stick a dinosaur on each one of these bars. So not only do you get a soap, you get a cool little toy. I think my kid's going to love this as well. To add another detail to this landscape, I'm going to add a little soap dough boulder or rock. You know I saved the best detail for last. In each one of those canals that I made, I am pouring in some blue melt and pour soap. And because I am using a clear melt and pour, you really get to see the shimmer in these little rivers. Super proud of these bars, and I think they're just roarsome. Once the melt and pour set, I went ahead and unmolded them, and I was surprised about how easily they just popped right out. Excited to give my 2-year-old one of these, and his friend turns 3 with a dinosaur themed party, so he gets one too. They're available in our shop. Thanks for watching, and I'll smell you later.